Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be my VR for Vintage Rose Creations by Kim. She's doing a challenge, and I decided why not, since I had all these banners cut anyway for some kits I'm putting together. She wants everyone to send her a pendant, and it doesn't have to be as big as mine, but you know, I already had them cut up, so I decided to use one. And then she's going to do a drawing. I believe it's her 550 sub giveaway. So her favorite color is lavender, and I didn't have a whole lot of lavender, but I had all different shades of purple. So I did dye some doilies and the fringe to get somewhat of a lavender. And what I have is, I do have under here some fabric that has lavender flowers on it. And then I cut a doily in half and put it down each side. I put my dyed two little small doilies here with flowers on each side. And these are a pair of costume jewelry clip-on earrings, and I just cut the back off and put those on here. I printed the purple lady that I got the digi-kit for on fabric and put it on here. And let's see, I had this lace, and if you see this white raised part, that is what it is completely, but I had to paint in these little flowers to put some color at the bottom. I put this heart doily and cut a heart out of lavender lace and put some little sequins and gems to match the color of her dress, and then a little flower. And I just had an abundance of these things, so I decided just to go around the outside with it. And I put some tassel fringe lace on the bottom, some little hanging lavender flower beads, and I had this big charm that has some lavender flowers all in it, and lavender beads. I went ahead and added that, and then added some ribbons. And that is my tassel for this pendant. So, and I didn't know if she was going to hang it or not, but I went ahead and put these on there. And if she decides not to hang it, then she can just, you know, let them hang down, or however she wants to use it. But this is it. It is covered in, the back is covered in muslin. And I didn't make this the hidden pocket one because she said she was using it for pendant. She didn't ask for, you know, anything else. So I didn't know whether she would want the pocket on the back. So hey Kim, I know you're peeking. If you want the pocket on the back to make it an air freshener, let me know so I can add one before I stick it in the mail, because it's going in the mail Monday morning. Okay, it's finished, except for, you know, just a few little touch-ups here and there to make sure it's completely set and glued down right. And that's it, it's done. So it's not as pretty as a lot I've seen. It's bigger than most of them I've seen. But I don't do purple, and it is almost impossible for me to make purple pretty. I just don't like purple. I'm sorry, I don't like purple. So this is the best I can do using purples. Anyway, I'll see you soon. I hope you guys are having a great weekend. Bye-bye.